So here I am again, warming the car up, waiting for the windows to defrost. You know, all the fun things in life. I'm going to do another impromptu video for you. All you wonderful folks out there in internet land. Figured I'd do a nice American folk song. Something from days of old when nights were bold. Or maybe a little after that. You ready? Excited? It's an exciting time. It's a cold time. It's like 30 degrees right now. All right. I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Can't you hear the captain shouting, "Rise up early in the morn"? Can't you hear the captain shouting, "Dinah, blow your horn"? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone's in the kitchen, I know. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah, strumming on the old banjo and playing fee-fi fiddly-I-o, fee-fi fiddly-I-o, fee-fi fiddly-I-o, strumming on the old banjo. Gotta love the classics, especially the simple ones. You have a great